In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to configure the private network option in BuddyBoss Platform. So to get where I'm at, first you're going to want to go into BuddyBoss settings and then scroll down to privacy. And what this option does is allows you to lock down the entire site so that users who are logged out can't really access anything except for the login and registration pages and maybe some other content you want to give them. This is really useful for a site that's meant to have private content, basically. So first, let me show you what the site is like when it's not enabled. It's basically, you can see content. And if I check this and save it with one check mark, everything is locked down. And the users only have access to create an account if registrations are open, or to sign in, or to go through the forgot password process. They can also view the privacy policy page if you have one set. And that's all they can do. There might be some scenarios where you do want some random other content to be available. So once this is enabled, we give you some URLs to exclude from the privacy lockdown. So you can do this by URI fragment or by full URL. So a fragment would be something like this. What's happening now is any URL that has this as part of it is publicly available. So let me go to forums and you can see that it loads. And let me open up a forum topic and it loads as well. But let's go to groups. Doesn't load. So this is a intelligent way of opening up a whole section of the website. Another thing you might want to do is put in a hard URL. Like for example, let's say sample page. I'm going to have that one URL available to the public. It's available. So this is a very flexible solution and pretty powerful. As we've talked about in other videos, BuddyBoss Platform is a direct fork of BuddyPress. And back in the BuddyPress world, this is a really common request. I would say, we've done years of client work on BuddyPress and the majority of our customers wanted their network to be private, and we'd always have to find some third-party plugin to configure for them. So now it's just a check mark. It's all here out of the box for you.